Muslim and Christians believe that Jesus Christ will come again. But when Jesus comes, to which he will join with the church of the Christians, different hymnals, different ceremonies. Every Christian different. Roman Catholic different from the Iglesia Ni Cristo. Iglesia Ni Cristo different from Seventh Adventist, different from Baptist. Every church in Christendom, they have different actions or different ceremonies or different songs. But if Jesus Christ will come to the Muslim masjid, the same only one. We prayed prostrating to the ground like he prayed, and his mother wearing hijab, and everything during the time of Jesus Christ, and he will come, the same prayer